Action.
Henry Swanson here, reporting live from Channel 88. I'm at the T3 Adventure Park, home of this year's Pit Bike Championship, where 12 of the fastest racers have come in to find out which team is going to be the fastest.
I got enough.
When we started this band, I was needed wasn't left.
Yeah, because you think you could be late.
We've kicked some
I would have
ass.
to do it.
When I made rage, you hit the stage. Trying to rush it through my veins, and I said, we're still kicking ass. Kicks down my heart, hope it never stops till the day we did all of this too much. Kicks down my heart, give it a start. Kicks down my heart, hope it never stops. Kicks down my heart, hope it never stops. Kicks down my heart, give it a start. Okay, boys, let's rock the
So the winners for the first annual, what's this thing called?
Pit Bike Championship.
Pit Bike Championship
They
is
suck.
Wet and Lane. Congratulations.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Action.
Hold on, how's my hair?
Action.
Henry Swanson.
Action.
Okay.
Action.
Henry Swanson here, reporting live for Channel 88. I can tell you're moving the camera a ton.
Action.
Well, hold on, let's wait for this car to go by and then we'll try it.
Action.
Henry Swanson here. Let's try again. Action.
Hello guys, it will be the Pit Bike Championship today, and it is a gorgeous day today, and yeah.
It's not as easy as it looks, is it, huh?
No, I'll do it.
Oh, okay, let's see it then. Action.
Today will be the annual Pit Bike Championship. Before
Whoa!
and it's a
Oh,
beautiful,
man. This is your good take?
okay, fine, I'll do it good.
Action.
Today will be the annual Pit Bike Championship. It is a gorgeous day today, but the trails might be a little slick. Slick.
That's alright. That's one way to stop.
That way. That's where those muscles come in. Now straight down, straight down. Oh, you and Cam. No, you're on yellow, right?
I was on yellow, yeah.
Yeah. You should have went whoop and then down that way.
Now my time's
No, Cam. You're off the trail again. Go around and you got to come this way. You got to go that way. That way, over the bridge.
This way?
Yep. Then you go into the jump, Cam.
Me and Daddy Longlegs are in last.